Hello everyone, I've already shot an intro for this video, but I wanted to make sure everyone knew that this is not an informational video or a how-to video. This is me and my buddy and his girlfriend hanging out, working on his RXT and having a laugh. So if you're okay with that, continue watching. If you've been watching my videos over the past few months, you've noticed this Sea-Doo behind me. It's actually the top part of a Sea-Doo. The bottom part is on its way over here now. It belongs to my buddy BJ. We did some work on it last year. The thing of the ether rolled away. He ordered some parts and we're going to attempt to put it back together and get it running today. Up there. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is a new intercooler. Got some new fuel injectors, some O-rings, an oil change kit, and here is the beast. So all we need to do is put all this stuff in there and then put that on there. No problem.
Find out where everything goes. So maybe, sort of.
Kind of confused at first, and then I was like,
Only fit one way, that's what I tell everybody.
diaper.
Do you want one of these? It's a Hey Y'all. It's a Southern Mint hard iced tea.
You want to be all hammered out here and drink guy and fight the people? Every time this guy we knew left his house, his parents would warn him about sinkholes. They were worried about him falling into one and dying.
That was their main fear for them, for your child.
Yeah.
He was a little crazy.
It was kind of a thing in the 80s.
Sinkholes?
Quicksand and sinkholes.
Fucking big one.
Wait, that people were afraid of?
Oh yeah, it was
Okay,
in
so
every
like,
movie.
it didn't happen.
It was like the bad guy in movies.
It was quicksand.
Yeah.
Right, like the mummy.
I was recording myself working. I don't even know where the cameras are anymore. There's one here.
Oh yeah, I should have told you. You can be recorded here at any moment.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
What is Sea-Doo is like totally yellow.
Yeah.
I'm in the videos.
You don't
I'm a
get-
star.
you don't get-
I just get videos of my ass hanging out riding jet skis. Makes me furious.
Let's see if I can find.
Still, I would like to get a really good shape. The Kawasaki ZXi 900.
Yeah. I want to get one so I can haul the engine out and put it in my X2.
Mm. It's not like I'm watching it to learn. I'm just like, what's Willa Cheeto grilled cheese?
You know what I made earlier this week? I made a grilled peanut butter and jelly
Balls
sandwich,
with balls?
and it was so
A
good.
what? Peanut butter and jelly?
Grilled, like you make it like a grilled cheese sandwich, put a
Oh.
little bit of butter on both sides and fry it, and the peanut butter and jelly gets really form, it just turns into one thing, and it is delicious. You gotta try it.
I bet that's what these 3 short ones are for.
Yep.
This, I don't think has any other bolts on it. Once you put this together, this just sits on there. And those stupid rubber things hold that in.
Holy!
Did you hear that? Gunshot.
Yes, the drive-by, because I heard a car engine. Ripping on the water with the RXT 255S. I was. Well, there's 3 for here. I'm assuming that the long ones go here.
Just hang on, we'll
Ow! Pump wire bristle in my thumb.
I hate that, man. It's like one of the worst things ever.
It's not even how much it hurts. It's kind of just like gross. Mine might start sometime in the summer.
Oh yeah, well. I just, with this, I was like, I need to get one project done at a time.
Yeah.
And realistically, it's still way too cold to ride the X2.
Oh yeah.
I think last time we had it right at the door. Probably cleaning it off.
People on the YouTube internets will think that this is like black magic, super crazy because I've got like, silly lift. All right, so we hook up the wiring first, right?
Yeah.
Trying to play off that she's not high class. I see her reading books.
Yep.
In
Reading
there,
books.
doing the book learnings. Freaking nerd.
Do you have any dielectric grease?
I think I have some on my truck.
I was in the crossword zone.
So why don't you read books, getting learned, high class,
It's not my fault, I'm
War
smart.
and
High class book
They're on
learning.
camera now for sure. This is 100% going to be on YouTube. Because people on the YouTube will think this is great.
Yeah. You were salty about that, hey? But that was your 15 minutes was your butthole?
My ass will always hang out.
Your ass is always hanging out.
I'm voting for we lower it down, hook the wiring up, and try starting it.
Good idea.
And make sure it runs.
Lower it down.
Wait, what is not there?
Oh, oh, oh!
Give her a 1-2 go.
Grand.
Oh.
That was pretty freaking promising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it another start. Let it run for a second.
Ooh, she's alive?
Those are all working?
There we go. It's kind of one of those things where you expect it to go hard, so you're not just stabbing at it randomly in the dark. So you're like, no way it's gonna go in. Oh, come on in.
Now, basically set it down and it's some stupid bolts under the seat.
Are you good?
Yeah, go down. Lining those up, I think.
This is gonna be fun.
See, if you can hold that for any amount of time at all.
Yeah, I can like this for sure. use a long one in the center, and then we can take it back out once we.
I'm just gonna give her a drive home. As much as I like putting jet skis together, I don't think she's much of a fan. No.
Oh, we're there. We're at home on my side, but I don't have any bolts.
I got some. So, man, I keep them staring.
Yours are lined up as well?
Yeah. Where's that 10mm gun thing?
Alyssa.
This time?
Yep.
It's too cold. It is May in Alberta.
Yeah.
Freezing.
Alright. Getting so close, and we're running out of pieces. I'll put the steering together. You're back there, and I'm over here. What do you think about
Oh,
this?
jeez. I think it's very confusing. There's too many holes. Why is there so many nuts and bolts?
It's our favorite trail mix.
It's seeded for it.
Hey BJ, do you want to finish it off by hand? You don't want to especially rely on machinery.
No.
This whole channel is just puns and dad jokes.
Yeah, we're old men.
Yep. Maybe the right stuff will sponsor you.
I wish.
That'd be awesome. Be
The right stuff.
Sponsored by. It'd be like filling electrical boxes with it and making hoses, like make molds and make hoses. And
Yeah. It's like a whole boat now.
yeah,
It's back together.
it's so much bigger when it's not just a bunch of pieces.
Yeah.
Crazy.
What do you think?
That's how I would put it together too. No, it's like this.
Is this-
God.
You almost got it where it was supposed to go.
Really? Oh man. I'm in the wrong field.
So that goes there, that goes there. That side
No,
over
am I
there.
right? Does it go here?
You're super close.
Oh.
It goes under this crazy thing.
You can play with it. Yeah, there you go.
Alright.
Whoa. Okay.
That'll pick up a lot of stuff too. Like a lot of weight.
It picked up this thing.
Yeah, but this is light. It'll pick up the whole thing.
Stu was like, we got all these extra stainless bolts, what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
Oh, let's make some holes to put them in, guys.
Man, I can't believe this is pretty much done. You got the steering hooked up?
Yep.
Tightened?
Yep.
Works. And you use the BRT XPS anti-corrosive lubricant.
This video has been brought to you by BRT's anti-corrosive.
Anti-corrosive lubricant. This is the best stuff
And
ever.
co-sponsored by the right
Is it
stuff. And maybe Bubblicious.
Oh, I didn't even realize it was sticking in there. Is it like fluid film kind of? But I've got one bolt left, BJ.
Nice.
Should I just throw it?
No.
Camera's recording.
Oh shit, I mean, all the bolts got used. Isn't that wonderful?
We'll just-
No bolts left over inside of this hand.
Or this one.
We used some extras anyway. We used some new ones.
Oh yeah, we did. We used 3 in the, yeah, that's right. So that makes sense.
Handful left over.
This video is sponsored by Kumon because they can't count. Get it?
What?
I made a joke.
Note to editor, delete that last clip. The last piece of the puzzle. You start pushing on it and your hand goes right through it and like into the cluster and destroys it.
Part of it goes on the outside and part goes on the inside. Why do they make this so difficult?
Because engineers, we could give you something better to do with that. If you want to try that trick.
No, I think it would be a nail down.
No. But if you want to try it, use this.
What's that?
Do you have a lighter?
Yep.
Do it.
Oh, this is scary. I don't have one actually.
What the fuck happened?
It matches your vehicle and everything.
I know.
Oh, she's a rumbly bitch. BJ's out on the first test ride on the RXT. Seems to be working good. Yeah?
Pretty sure the wear ring has a little bit of probably needs to be replaced.
Yeah. Think
The suspension? Oh man, like any of those waves, it's just like cush, like nice.
do a burnout. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was a little bit different and also a little bit long and silly, but it is what it is. You'll probably see more of the RXT on somewhere, either this channel or BJ's channel. He's got to do a little bit more work to it before he either sells it or rides it for the season. I strongly suspect that BJ will be selling the RXT, partly because he just bought another ski, which means that he now has 4, and partly because he's going to want some money so that he can put some goodies on other skis that he has. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.